Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can update WhatsApp on any Android phone. The first step is to open up the Google Play Store. Then you'll notice the search bar right at the top. Just tap on that and then type WhatsApp. This process is very straightforward and simple guys. Just search for WhatsApp. It's going to show you the app, and you can see it says uninstall and open. But if you have an update available for your WhatsApp application, it's going to say update instead of open. All you would need to do is tap the update button in green. That will go ahead and download the update and then install it for you automatically. Once that is complete, the update button is going to change back to open, and then you can open up the WhatsApp Messenger app and begin using the latest version. And that's all there is to it. So every time you have an update available, just repeat this process and there you go. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.